I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Feast is the spot. To take the blues away. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. Yeah, we're chilling out.
Hey, Junk the Gems 3 fans. Today we're gonna do a little review on this Summer Waves pool. So this is the Summer Waves Elite. We bought this pool on Amazon about 4 years ago, and I gotta tell you, this thing has really stood up. It is 16 foot by 32 foot. Our only complaints about the whole thing was the filter is not big enough and the pump is not big enough. Other than that, this has been an excellent pool. We have had this thing literally 4 years now. Walk you around over here. This has been our only issue, is this rotted right here. This is a joint. The manufacturer says that they're on back order, but they will be getting one here soon. But it's still holding together and it's still pretty strong. So what we have done is change the pump over.
That's where we're gonna end up putting it. So. Half of it. God, can't take him anywhere.
On the book, send me to school. I eat the teacher. He's a good snack too. There. Maybe we could hook that one up too.
Yeah, it'd be a double filter. Yeah, but that big one, man, it keeps it clean.
Yeah. Compared to what we were used to dealing with.
Oh my God.
Just that one, right?
Yeah, just that one right there. That one keeps it
This
clean.
little tiny thing right here is what it came with, and,
And we've put
enough. That and the pump together wasn't enough.
We have put new sand in that last year. And now we have to redo the piping.
Okay, so
maybe you could plug both of them together, Gary, like your compressors.
yeah, that's what I was saying. Too bad I couldn't get both of them together.
Back there.
Try not to trip.
Yeah, I'm a little off there, but it'd be all right.
You got a little flex.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit the beach in the sunshine. Cheap sunglasses looking so right. Hitting the streets in my old man Chevrolet. Looking for a good time and then some. Kick it with my friends in the hot sand. I got a song blasting by the Zach Brown band, yeah. Got a case of cold beer. Ain't gonna last long here. I'll pick my friends up at the pier. They're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Big old waves and a clear sky. Life's good out here, and I wonder why anybody would ever leave this place. Yeah, the bar at the beach sells margaritas in the big shelves. Let's all go crazy, baby. We're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking.
Couple $100. Somebody gave us another filter. a much bigger sand filter system that they didn't need anymore or whatever. So we just took the top apart, put a couple new seals in it, and then replumbed everything basically. So we had this plumbed differently, hanging up like those pipes there. But evidently they fell off the bricks one day and all the piping broke. So we decided this time we're going to have 2 inlets coming in to our filter system, and then coming over here, and then this is our output, so we can control the pressure on our output. So if we really want it to jet hard, we can close that off a little bit and it'll really force water out here good. Also the other thing we were having issues with is being this is Florida, this pool gets bath water in the summertime. So we tried many of those little floater things that float up in the air, and you know, they float on top of the water and they basically pump water up into the air, and it's supposed to cool the pool. Well, those didn't work. So we wanted to solve that problem. So what I did is being junk to gems, I found a bunch of old PVC pipe and I ran my own system through here. Now if you look here, I'm gonna basically follow you around here with this camera. So what I did is I run some plumbing through here. It's running underneath the steps, running over here. So this is a filler for my so when the pump gets the pool gets low, I can fill the pool right through there. Also, this is where my solar heater is eventually going to run. I'm going to tee it off, and it's going to run up here and sit on top of the roof up there, and we're going to run that back and forth with black pipe. So then now to solve the cooling problem, what we did is we ran pipe down underneath here along the bottom of the deck, as you can see here, and then we brought it up to here. We came over here, and as you can see here, this is where it runs along the bottom of the pool. We brought it up here. We put a cutoff valve here, ran this around, and then on here you can see our valve, and we just drilled a bunch of little 1/8" holes, or 16th I think they are, holes along this, and we're going to show you how this thing works, because this is actually kind of cool. The kids just love it. So we got our little platform up here that we built so that they can so the kids can climb up here and they can jump off into the pool here. So let me turn this valve on here and let me show you how this thing works. And I'll tell you what, when that pool is 90 degrees, this will bring it down 10 to 15 degrees in a couple of hours, very easily. And the kids actually have a blast with it. So as you can see, it sprays good. The kids have a blast with it. The puppies aren't too sure about it yet, but it doesn't seem to really faze them a lot. They just avoid it. But it also makes like a really nice, cool waterfall sound out here too, so that helps. Now if you can see also, what we also did is I had a customer that wanted to get rid of their jungle gym, so we took that slide right over there and I took it all apart and brought it home, and I took the rails and everything and we built them a slide. Now we did buy a little sprinkler on there off Amazon again for, I think it was like 10 or 15, 20 bucks, something like that. Hook a hose up to it, it creates a water slide. Eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up plumbing this off of this and having it go over there to the slide, so that it literally pumps water through these pipes up there and then back down into the pool, thus also help creating a cooling system for that end of the pool. Even though this does an awesome job, but this way I'm not dumping water out of my well in there and overfilling the pool. The ladder system that comes with the pool, not great. So we bought this one off Amazon. This thing works excellent. The dogs can climb up it, plenty of grip. Works great. The only other thing that we have yet to quite figure out is a skimmer. As you can see, the skimmer over there, it doesn't like to stay on the side of the pool. So that's going to be my next junk find. I will be finding a piece of junk somewhere to make a skimmer out of and make one work that will be comfortably working on this pool without constantly falling off. With the kids and the dogs jumping in the pool, that one gets a little wave and it comes off. As you can see, it's already floating around out there, so it doesn't take very much to do that. So that's going to be our next one. So again, after 4 years, Summer Waves, you've done a fine job with this pool. We love it. So as soon as Summer Waves gets our part over here, we're going to go ahead and get our part on here. So if you like this video, please like it, share it. Send the word around there if you got any questions or comments on what I've done here. I'll be more than happy to write back and help you out any way I can. If you have any questions about anything you want to build, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you get through your process and show you some cool stuff that you can do yourself. That's the whole reason for our channel. It's not just for me, but for other folks out there that want to do this kind of thing and just really don't know where to get started. All starts with just an idea, and find junk, turn it into a gem. So like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.